ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to Let's Play Pokemon Platinum. In the last episode, we took down Eternatus gym leader, Gardenia, and we got the second gym badge, the forest badge. And in this episode, we're going to continue our journey. And yeah, and also I changed the layout again, and also we met Cynthia for the first time in the last episode. We got cut. And off screen I brought everybody up to level 24 and hello, it's me, haha, a star yes, I am after all an officer of the International Police. It's only natural that I am the master of disguise. Incidentally, you are a first trainer of that. I am very aware. I therefore think you will be okay, but I must warn you to be careful anyway. Also, a word of advice, this building it has two stairs, one of them a trap, it must be, but the crews of Team Galactic, they don't appear, how shall I say, smart. There should be an easy way to tell them apart. Thanks for an useless fact, Looker. And let's check on these trainers. Zubat, okay, we have a star at confirmed. And you can see the time I'm recording, so that's good. Let's go for an attack again. We defeat Team Galactic Grant. Another Team Galactic Grant. I think we are going in the correct way, so let's go in the wrong way for more trainers and more EXP. And we took down Mars. So I think we're going to take on Jupiter next, or maybe Saturn, who knows. Let's go for a quick attack. Okay, and let's go. Okay, I think this is the correct way. So let's go in the wrong way then. I want more EXP. The more the EXP, the more the merrier. Okay. He is also not a trainer, so we got a useless X speed. So as you guys can know, my rules are can't use items in battle and set mode must be on, so X items are all useless. So also I forgot to ask the question of the day for you guys and 2 episodes, and also I'm gonna say the answer of the question of the day 2 episodes prior episode. The first hour Pokemon created was Enraidon, and for the episode number 6, what is the attack and special attack of Infernape? Say now. Also I said that answer last episode. And for last episode's question of the day, which type has the least amount of Pokemon? Actually, I know the answer, but I'm not going to say it. And for today's question of the day, which Pokemon type has the most amount of Pokemon? So the questions are for you guys. What is Infernape's attack and special attack? What is type of Pokemon had least amount? What type of Pokemon had least amount of Pokemon, and what type of Pokemon have the most amount of Pokemon? And I'll say the answers in the next episode. So okay, these guys are not trainers. Looks like these guys are not trainers. This is the correct way. Let's go in the wrong way. Yes, I know the answers. I want to say it, but I can't. Infernape's attack and special attack also I forgot to switch out our Pokemon. No problemo. X speed, I have quick attack. So star is at almost 26. Let's go the wrong. Okay, we got a blue shire. I think this is the rare candy. No, on screen I picked up a rare candy, guys. So that's there. And let's switch out our Pokemon. Let's put Jet up in front because Jet they haven't even shined yet. And also we still have only 4 Pokemon in our team. If you look at my Emerald playthrough, by the time we reached the second gym, we have a full team. And it's so dark in here. Why? I don't know. Hey, did you want something? How silly of me to even ask. You want to free the Pokemon? Fine, I'm Jupiter. We'll deal with you. Here we go, Ethano says. Team Galactic Commander Jupiter. She opened up with her. See that? I knew it. And let's go for and also Jet doesn't have Intimidate, so that's there. And Scummy Tank. Let's go Star. Night Slash, it's doing so much. Also Night Slash had a high crit chance, so let's go Jet. I wish Jet had Intimidate so we can lower this thing's attack even more now. But I'm gonna lower it even more. Go Star, Raptor, or Avia. You know. Okay, I'm not. I think that thing had a Citrus Berry, so pluck it, yes. Let's go for another pluck. Basically, pluck is strong. No, it got the crit. But let's go Jet, finish the thing. If you are Intimidate Mons. Okay, she got another crit. Should have gone for Alex with Mach Punch. Okay, I went from there. And Alex got to level 25. Star would have gone for level 26. But whatever. Well, aren't you tough? It's okay though. Our official Pokemon statue investigation is finished. Mars has collected energy from the value index. We're pretty much finished here. I'll let you in one little thing. They're all finished by the time we defeated them. Our boss is researching the myths of ancient Pokemon. With the power of mythical Pokemon, he will become the ruler of Sinnoh. I suggest you keep out of Team Galactic's affairs for now. This is your last warning. Thanks. I got my Clefairy back and it's all thanks to you. But the Team Galactic, they said Clefairy come from space, hand it over. Their logic baffles me still. It's like they're from space. Anyway, they're gone now. Thank you very much. And their names are apparently planets' names. I can't thank you enough right now. Okay, but cruise my cycle shop. Okay, let's get this item. We got an upgrade which we can evolve a Porygon. And let's go. Dun, 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 dun. This music is so refreshing, man. Let's go for pack. Let's heal up. Okay. We healed up our party. Cynthia? Oh, there you are. I was looking for you. I got something nice. I wanted you to have this Pokemon. Will you accept it? That's wonderful. The Pokemon inside that egg is happy too, I'm sure of it. Keep that egg within your party of Pokemon. A Pokemon will hatch from it while you are traveling. It would be happy to know that will help fill another page of your Pokemon. See you again. Okay, nice, Cynthia. And let's talk to the bike man. Thanks for rescuing me. This is something to show my thanks, okay? I got the bicycle. Let's go and register that thing. Where is the key items bag? Okay. Bicycle registered, and if we press our Y button, we can get a bicycle. Also forgot to take the Explorer kit. Okay, I came into the wrong house. So let's go and talk to this man. He'll give us the Explorer kit. And we got the Explorer kit, which can get some things. Also, so I wish I can continue this episode, but that's it for this episode, guys. I'll see you next episode. Let's play Pokemon Platinum. Peace out.